Welcome to this loving kindness meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Feel your body relaxing with each breath. Sinking deeper into a state of calm and tranquility. Let's begin by focusing on ourselves. Place your hand over your heart and feel its gentle rhythm. As you breathe in, silently repeat to yourself, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease." With each exhale, let go of any stress or negativity. Take a moment to truly feel these wishes, letting them resonate within you. Now, bring to mind someone you care about deeply. Visualize this person standing in front of you. Feel the warmth of your love for them and silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Imagine sending a warm, loving light towards them, enveloping them in your kindness. See their face light up with joy and feel the connection between you. Next, think of someone you have neutral feelings towards. This could be a colleague or a neighbor. Visualize them in your mind's eye and repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Notice any shift in your feelings as you send them kindness. Allow your heart to open and embrace them with your goodwill. Now, bring to mind someone with whom you have had difficulties. This might be challenging, but try to extend the same loving wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Imagine any negative feelings dissolving as you send them love. Feel the release of any resentment or anger, replacing it with compassion and understanding. Expand your focus to include everyone around you, in your community, and eventually, all beings everywhere. Repeat, "May we all be happy. May we all be healthy. May we all be safe. may we all live with ease. Feel a sense of connectedness and compassion flowing through you, touching every living being. Envision the world filled with love and kindness, radiating from your heart. As we continue, let's deepen our connection with ourselves and others. Imagine a warm, glowing light at the center of your chest. With each breath, see this light growing brighter, expanding to fill your entire body. Feel its warmth and love, knowing that this light represents your boundless capacity for kindness and compassion. Now imagine this light extending outwards, connecting with the people around you. See it reaching out like rays of the sun, touching everyone in your life with love and kindness. Visualize these connections growing stronger, creating a web of compassion that spans across the world. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to return to yourself. Place your hand over your heart again and repeat, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease." Take a few deep breaths, feeling the peace and love within you. Let these feelings stay with you as you go about your day. Carrying the essence of this meditation into every interaction. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Observe any changes in your mood, your thoughts, or your body. Remember, the kindness you cultivate in this meditation can extend into your daily life, touching everyone you encounter. Each act of kindness, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference. Thank you for joining me in this loving kindness meditation. May your day be filled with peace and love. May you continue to share your kindness and compassion with the world, making it a better place for all. Take this moment to acknowledge the beauty within you and around you. You are a beacon of love and light.